My dwarf nectarine tree has been spending the last few months in the greenhouse just to make sure that it wouldn't get peach leaf curl. It's really starting to flower now. This is quite normal for it. It always tries to do it really early. And there's some beautiful flowers on it. So dainty and cute. I think this plant could do with a repotting because it's been in the same small pot ever since I got it back in 2023. I do try to refresh the soil, but I think it just needs a little bit of a move up. It's supposed to be a super dwarf. There are lots of little fuzzy flower buds there too, which I'm looking forward to seeing bloom. It's just the first ones that are starting now. I took it outside just to see if I could attract some pollinators because it's not meant to rain right now. The peach leaf curl comes from rain spores, or spores in the rain or in the air, so I'm hoping it's okay to have it out right now. I've gone around with a little paintbrush too to see if I could do some hand pollination, just to give it a try. I've never had any fruits off this tree. It has tried to set some, with really tiny ones, but then eventually they drop. I guess there weren't that many fruits they set. It never really set that many is what I'm trying to say. And I guess they always tend to have a certain amount of fruit drops. So maybe if a few more set this year, I'll have a better chance of getting a few nectarines. That would be nice. But I'll leave it out for a few hours now to see if I can attract some little busy bees, the first ones. And then I'll put it back inside. There aren't that many pollinators buzzing about yet. It's still just the beginning of March now, so really early. But we'll see. There's so many flowers out too, which could really try to attract some pollinators. These ones are such pretty primroses. And the snake's heads too. They're living on an old tree stump. And the white poppies down there are coming up nicely. All that green foliage there. And of course there's so many daffodils, so lots and lots of happy spring flowers are out and about. Thank you for watching. I'll see you next time. Bye for now.